If you're paying for extra iCloud storage but don't need it anymore, downgrading or cancelling your plan can save you quite a bit of money. Whether you're using an iPhone, Mac or even a Windows PC, Apple makes it easy to adjust your plan, so here's how to do it. On an iPhone or iPad, open Settings and tap your name at the top. Select iCloud and then tap Manage Account Storage. Next, tap Change Storage Plan and select Downgrade Options. Choose a lower tier plan or select the free 5GB option to cancel. Then tap Done and your plan will change at the end of your billing cycle. On a Mac, open System Settings or System Preferences on older macOS versions. Then click your Apple ID and then select iCloud. Next click Manage and then choose Change Storage Plan. Select Downgrade Options, enter your Apple ID password if asked, and then choose the new plan or select the free version to cancel. Then click Done to confirm. If you're on a Windows machine, here's what to do. Open iCloud for Windows and select Manage. Click Change Storage Plan and then Downgrade Options. Enter your Apple ID password if prompted, and then select a new plan to choose from. Choose the free 5GB plan if you want to cancel. Click Done to confirm your selection. So, what happens after you downgrade? Your new storage limit won't take effect until the end of your current billing period. If your stored data exceeds your new plan, Apple won't delete your files right away, but you won't be able to back up new data until you free up space. Also, premium iCloud Plus features like Hide My Email or HomeKit Secure Video might stop working after the downgrade. If you rely on these, consider how the change will impact your setup before making the switch. And that's it. Now you know how to downgrade or cancel your iCloud storage. See you next time.